Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for yet another video on Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. Today we'll take a look at the daily chart for both Nifty and Bank Nifty and we'll try to see the levels where we can trade for tomorrow. Also today was a national holiday for India, and also the markets were closed, so there was no action. Yesterday was Bank Nifty expiry, so if you had seen the video which was created on Monday night, that was for Tuesday morning, that is for the Tuesday trading session, then I had already mentioned that there will be a gap down and there will be up move, that is the momentum from the previous day would continue, and I had also suggested that there could be a red candle formation, and that's exactly what had happened on Tuesday. Now it is that the currently the price is at an interesting place right now on the chart, so we'll take a look at that. But before that, disclaimer: all the views and opinions expressed in this video are for learning purposes only and in no way is a buy or sell recommendation. Any buying or selling decision or any trading or investing decision needs to be taken after consultation with your respective financial advisors. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, what I'm sharing with you all right now is a Nifty spot chart on a daily time frame. Right, so just give me a minute. Yeah, so Nifty spot chart on a daily time frame, and as you can see here, the daily chart clearly shows that uh, after this big bullish candle, that is big bullish Morubozu candle, there was a gap up opening, after which uh, the price went up to a level which it had tested previously. So this particular high was roughly around 22,777, and the current high, that is the last trading session high, was 783, so roughly 7 points there. Now in the video I had mentioned that the open target is still this 22,833 levels, roughly around 22,833 to 22,855 levels, and in the coming session that might be a possibility. However, it is also interesting to know that for the past 3 days, right, for the past for the past four trading sessions, this particular bottom of the purple channel has acted as resistance, and also on this day, that is the last trading session, the price opened below or close to the bottom of the purple channel, went up and then again came back below it and closed somewhere lower than that, right? Still the candle formation is a higher high higher low formation, and that makes me believe that the next target, that is the next target, is still 22,833 to 22,855 levels for Nifty in the coming trading session. That might be tomorrow, or that may be in this week, or maybe next week, right? However, it will be interesting to see if the lows of this candle break, then in that case we will see a further downfall to reach the levels of 22,522, which is again a level where we may see a bounce back, because 22,500 is a psychological level, and if you see this, these past few trading sessions, it has this low bottom of the purple channel has acted as resistance, because of which it is tested multiple times, and it is possible that this bottom of the channel can be taken out, right? So we can see a breakout from here. uh, the key levels to watch out for tomorrow would be 22,788, which is the upper level for this. If the 22,788 level gets taken out, then in that case 22,833 and 22,855 would be the level to watch out for, or book profits, book partial profits, and will be our first targets. Now if the price sustains and continues to play above 22,853 855 levels, then in that case 22,900 and 23,000 would be our next levels, that is target T2 and target T3. On the lower side, 22,566 is the level to watch out for, below which I think 22,500 would be the level to watch out for as a first target. If the 22,500 level breaks, then in that case 22,400 and 22,300 could be the levels which can be retested. Let's quickly take a look at Bank Nifty. So similar to what Nifty had shown, Bank Nifty also had seen a open gap up, and as I had mentioned, right, in the previous video I had mentioned that this particular top of the channel has been taken out multiple times, but every single time when the top was taken out, the very next day there was a red candle formation, or there was a downside movement continued to test the bottom of the channel. So if you see here, this was taken out, then again here, this was taken out again here, this was taken out again, tested the bottom, this was taken out closely and again tested the bottom. Now this has this the previous candle had not taken out, but it managed to close very close to the top of the purple channel. That was this bullish Morubozu candle which was formed on Monday. And I had mentioned that given the past record, we can see a momentum continuation for with the Monday movement which we had. However, it being a bank nifty expiry, I had also mentioned that we may see sell off if the market opens at a huge gap up, or if the higher price is reached, right? And that's exactly what we saw. The price nearly reached the 50,000 mark, right? 50,000 is a very big milestone, you can say, for bank nifty. So it almost touched that, right? 49,974, that is just missed it by 26 points. And from there we saw profit booking, and then the price came down and managed to close underneath within the channel, right? So if tomorrow this price, the low of this candle gets broken, then in that case we may anticipate that the lower of the bottom may be tested in the coming sessions. On the other hand, if the price opens gap up and sustains above the top of the purple channel for the next few trading sessions, right? Not just tomorrow, but next few trading sessions, then in that case, we may anticipate that the price may go further up. The upper levels, I mean, the later targets would be 51,300 as well, but not in this week. It will be somewhere maybe at the end of May or maybe in June. However, the reason I'm saying the price should sustain above the top of the purple channel for few trading sessions is because in the past we have seen here 4th March, 5th March and 6th March, there was what you can say, there was the price was closing above the top of the purple channel on all 3 days, and then there was still a downside which was shown. So there was correction experienced, right? So if we are going in with a lot of quantities, I think that's not the best move right now. Go with smaller quantities and wait for this pattern. If the price continues to close above this top of the channel, top of the purple channel for few trading sessions, like at least 5 or 6 trading sessions continuously, then in that case it suggests that there could be more upside to this. On the other hand, as I said, if the lows get broken, then we may see the lower bottom of the, the bottom of this purple channel getting retested. So for tomorrow, the key levels to watch out for are 49,977, which happens to be the top of the previous candle, that is this one. Also, it is interesting to note that this particular candlestick pattern, if you are aware about it, is a shooting star pattern. And if this shooting star pattern suggests that the previous trend, the previous uptrend will take a pause, and this is kind of a trend reversal pattern as well. So we may experience a downside from here. However, if this shooting star pattern gets taken out, that is, if this high gets, the high of this candle gets taken out, then in that case we may experience a short covering rally as well, which will take the price very high, right? So, and the key levels, as I said, is 49,977 for tomorrow on the upside. If that gets taken out, then 50,000 would be a let the price play and sustain above 50,000 level, after which go ahead and initiate a trade. On the lower side, 49,244 would be the level to watch out for, below which the 49,000 levels may be retested, as well as if the price sustains below that, then 48,000 and 47,000 levels may be retested in the coming trading sessions. All right, so those were the levels to watch out for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Do let me know if this analysis is helping you or not, and if there's anything else that you would want me to add as part of this analysis in my video. Also, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Do also let me know whether this analysis is helping you or not, and whether you are able to take trade, and whether you took trade on Tuesday based on the video that I had created on Monday, right? So were you able to take trade, and when did you book profits or did you make losses? So do let me know that. And just before we wrap up, a small disclaimer: making money in stock markets is not easy, and there's no shortcut to make money. However, with continuous improvements and over time, we can definitely make money from stock market. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.